Layla traced the faded ink of the Arabic script, her brow furrowed in concentration. Dust motes danced in the single shaft of light, illuminating her corner of the university library. A corner she'd long ago claimed as her own, mostly because no one else wanted it. Surrounded by towering stacks of forgotten tomes, she felt a strange sense of belonging, a kinship with the forgotten knowledge they held. It was a stark contrast to the feeling she got from most of her colleagues. Her field of study, al-ʿiṣābāt, the history of weaponry and gang culture in the medieval Middle East, was, to put it mildly, not considered respectable. Fringe scholarship, Professor Arman had called it during her last review, his tone dripping with condescension. Interesting perhaps, but hardly relevant to the pressing issues of our time. Layla bristled at the memory. Relevant? What could be more relevant than understanding the roots of power, the allure of violence, the cyclical nature of history? She believed that by studying the past, one could gain insight into the present, and perhaps even prevent future conflicts. But convincing others of this seemed an impossible task. She ran a hand over the brittle parchment of the manuscript before her. It was a rare find, an illuminated text detailing the rise and fall of a particularly ruthless gang known only as the Silent Ones. Their methods were brutal, their influence widespread, and their arsenal legendary. Rumor had it they possessed a weapon unlike any other, a device capable of unimaginable destruction. Layla had spent months deciphering the fragmented text, piecing together clues hidden within the ornate illustrations and cryptic verses. Tonight, she felt she was close. A complex diagram, hidden beneath a layer of grime, revealed a series of symbols that resonated with a passage she'd found in a separate, unrelated text. Her heart pounded as she realized the implications. The diagram wasn't just a weapon design, it was a map to something buried. The passage described a hidden chamber beneath the old city of Damascus, a chamber said to contain the whisper of the sands, the very weapon the Silent Ones had used to achieve their dominance. The text warned of its terrible power, a power that could shatter empires, a power that could rewrite history itself. Layla felt a chill run down her spine. This wasn't just about academic curiosity anymore. This was about the potential for catastrophic consequences. She spent the next few weeks meticulously researching the old city maps, cross-referencing the diagram with ancient architectural records and satellite imagery. She worked tirelessly, fueled by a mix of fear and fascination. Finally, she located the spot, a seemingly unremarkable section of the souk, near the ruins of a long-forgotten caravanserai.